In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our editable lesson plan template. First, you're going to need the free version of Acrobat Reader or the paid version, but you do not have to have the paid version. There's a link below where you can download Acrobat Reader for free. Then you're going to open Acrobat Reader and you're going to open your file of the editable lesson plan. So if you're on the home screen, you would go to the open file, and then you would choose what file you want. And here is our editable lesson plan. So here you can go ahead and type in any of these text boxes. As you can see, I put Henry, Bob, and Mary. Up here, I added some names. And then you can check the boxes for whatever you are teaching that day. You are probably not going to be doing all of these things in one lesson because there is quite a bit. You would probably want to spread it out over 2 or 3 different lessons, or you just pick and choose what you're doing that day. So you can see we have warm-up and fluency, phonological and phonemic awareness, heart words, phonics, and new skills that you're teaching, reading strategies, whatever kind of text you are using, dictation, comprehension. So you can go ahead and you can fill in notes and type what you want. To see a finished lesson plan, I have one here. This is actually one of our Done For You lessons inside the Shifting to Science of Reading membership. And this is lesson number 20 with the letter S. And you can see here we have all of the things checked off of what we would teach. There's actually links here for inside the membership for different activities that you could do with your students. For example, if we're teaching blending in compound words, there are different blending teacher cards that you could use to do that inside the membership. So you can kind of see that this one is just finished. Here for the text, we do have a decodable reader, and that I can show you what that is here. Our decodable reader is called the bus for lesson 20. And we do have over 50 decodable readers inside the membership right now. And with each reader, you're going to have a decodable page, heart words page, where you've practiced those words with your students. And then here we can go through and we have these decodable readers to offer inside of the membership as well. These are also offered in color and in black and white. I'm going to go back over to the editable lesson plan template. Now, if you want to choose a different font, here I do have a font built into it. However, if you want to change that font, you have to highlight your text first, and you're going to click Command E on your keyboard, and that is going to bring up this form field text properties. And so here you can change the font to whatever you would want it to be and whatever size you would want. This also has the link button, so then you could always link it to other things as well. So I hope you enjoy this editable lesson plan template. This is just one of the templates that we offer inside of the membership, and we are happy to share this editable lesson plan template with you today.